the skill, the confidence
to become a master spy.
to become a master spy. Ha ha ha! Anyone?
No.
Okay. First, my name is Special Agent Anna, and this
I'm Agent Starling.
is Special Agent Starling. We're here today to teach you some things you'd never normally see in the real world. Agent Starling, get the briefcase. Did you all find out the clues? I've been watching you, taking notes. Good job. We've got some cheeky ones. There's a cheeky one. There's a cheeky one. He's Luke. I know. I'll work that out. Okay. Zoe, the lights, please. I mean, Special Agent Starling. She's not secretly my daughter. The lights, please. Okay. Everybody, the lights. I'm going to need you to gather round. Okay. Gather round, everyone.
Oh, let me see. I'm tiny.
It's a tiny spy. They're the ones you need to be careful the most of. It's probably... Okay. Here we have it. Who can recognize some of the things in my spice? Don't be careful with that.
Yeah, chuck me a Mento.
These Mentos will blow your head off. They're secretly bombs.
Wow.
So you offer somebody one. This is a be careful with that, Special Agent Starling. If that hits you, you will be pulverized and turned to dust. These backup glasses. Everybody needs these when you're a spy. Can anyone recognize anything in here? Who there? Walkie-talkies. And what are they for?
They are to communicate.
Yes, talking and walking. It's in the name. Mentos, the blow you out. This!
Oh, I see love hearts as well.
They're not just any love hearts. They have scary messages on them of what will happen when you eat one of them.
Oh, what about a notepad, some cards?
Notepad, that's very important because I'm still back in those days when we had paper and pens. So, obviously, we need our camera because you can't just carry your phone around with you as a spy. Why can't you just carry your phone around you when you're a spy? Who can tell me that?
Because if someone finds your phone, they can use it as evidence.
That's brilliant. What's your name?
Esme.
Esme, good job, Esme. Why else can't you have, what can they do if you have your phone with
Track
you? Track you. Very good. What's your name, Special Agent?
Jack.
Smelly pants. Okay. This is a bomb.
It's not passport.
Bath bomb.
Yeah,
Bath bomb. Real bomb.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This, Special Agent Starling.
Passion.
Oh my.
This is a telescope you use.
Ah, periscope. That's really good because I just put it in there. Right, good job. Well done, Special Agent Starling. Right, some of this, you're going to have to do this. Everybody, what about this one? Somebody must know this one.
Oh, it's a magnifying glass.
Yes. What's it for?
Starting fires.
Makes you stranded.
That's a very good point. Starting fires. It's also to make one eye look really big at any point that you want to. It's very important as well. Special Agent Starling, can you see anything else in there you'd like to introduce? Be careful with that. It's very dangerous. Don't just... It has a dart, a deadly dart that comes out when you press it.
It's a syringe!
It's a syringe. This, whoever possesses this has magical powers.
Look, I'll show you the trick. Look at this.
Starling's taking over.
I gave her all the magic that she possesses because I made her. Okay, good. And finally, this is something you're going to need to remember. These.
Matches.
Not just any matches. Do you recognize these? Oh, don't play with those. Okay, one will make you forget everything you just saw. And one will help you have the best memory you've ever had in your life. The blue one is to forget. Is it that way round?
You sure you haven't forgotten.
Where am I? Okay. And finally, this. You're all going to need to remember this because in a minute you're going to have. Why do you think I need this pen like this?
I don't know.
So you can't see what you write.
No, that's a good one, but not
Yeah,
quite.
I
How
don't
about
know.
you? You're keeping quiet. Are you really a spy? You're a spy already, aren't you? Are you spying for the other side? For Minster? Do you work for Minster? Well, we're in Bluetown now, buddy.
I don't know what it's for. I don't know.
You take the lid off? For sending secret messages. Remember that. We're gonna need it. We're gonna come to that in a minute. Right. Okay. But first, everybody up.
What?
We're gonna start. Up here. Everybody up. Everybody up. Everybody up here. Okay. One down. One down. One down.
No, you're not going to go.
Yeah.
It's very, very, very. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. You're gonna be kind of. We're gonna be coming down in a minute. Okay. We're gonna very quickly play a quick game of Spy Says. Okay? And we're going to move around the room as Spy says. But you have to listen